Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the device and removing any battery or power source to prevent shorts. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap and lay out tools: precision screwdrivers, pry picks, magnifier, a 2030W soldering iron, and desolder braid. Next, remove the back or casing carefully to reach the PCB. Make sure to keep screws and shields sorted so you can reverse the process. This initial access step prevents damage and sets you up for safe connector removal. With the board exposed, identify the USB-C pad array and any mechanical mounting screws or tabs. Apply flux to improve heat transfer, then heat each solder joint evenly with a low-profile tip. Use desolder braid to remove excess solder from pins. Meanwhile, heat and clear the larger anchor tabs and unscrew or unclip any retaining hardware. Once solder is cleared and screws removed, gently lift the connector while supporting the PCB on a soft block to avoid bending. This prevents torn. Clean the pads with flux remover and tin them lightly. Then position the new USB-C connector precisely, ensuring correct orientation. Once aligned, tack the mechanical anchor tabs first to hold it in place, then solder the signal pins sequentially while avoiding bridges. Inspect each joint under a magnifier. After soldering, reassemble the device, reconnect power, and verify charging and data transfer. If it doesn't work, check for cold joints, missing ground, or bent pins. Reflow suspect joints and confirm continuity with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.